Sorry, Senator Omogeni. I apologize for that.
I've been christened Senator Onyonka. Madam Speaker, you know, we were at university with you. And Senator Onyonka has never been to that school of law where we were with you.
Apologize for that. It's Omogeni.
Yeah, but you know, Madam Speaker, the people of Nyamira, people of Kisii region, I'm sure they are watching these proceedings, or they will access these proceedings from YouTube. It's not proper for Senator Cherargei to mislead the people of Nyamira, the people of Kisii, that the only way the railway line will traverse through Nyamira or Kisii is only if I go to State House and kneel before the President. Mr. Speaker, Madam Speaker, that is not right. We deserve, Madam Speaker, access to the usage of the railway line the way my brothers in Bomet, in Kericho, in Narok deserve it. Mr. Speaker, when the President raised the Bible, when he was being sworn in,
there is no Mr. Speaker here.
Oh, sorry, Madam Speaker. The President swore, Madam Speaker, he raised the Bible with his right hand and said he will serve all Kenyans. Madam Speaker, when KRA levies taxes, it does not exclude people of Nyamira or people of Kisii. We all pay taxes equally. So, Madam Speaker, the issue of the railway, we just want fairness. We want that development to extend to all counties, Madam Speaker. All the 47 counties deserve equal access to the railway line as long as it is traversing in that region. So that should be very clear, Madam Speaker. And I want to tell Cherargei, we don't need to go to Senator Cherargei. I don't need to go to State House, and I will not go to State House to beg on behalf of my people what they rightly deserve. I will not, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Senator Omogeni. Point is made. And yes, access is free to everyone without having to go to State House. But obviously, the State House also houses the President of the Republic of Kenya, and it's accessible to every Kenyan, including Senator Omogeni. But coming to the points that are raised, now, Senator Cherargei, maintain peace for now. I give direction on the two issues that you raised.